we're seeing crime, strife and danger, and everybody seem a little bit stranger. I can't seem to find my rights of way. I say it's getting harder every day, in every way. It's hard to explain how I feel, but I know the feeling is real. And whenever my ship sets sail, I'll be on the shore, dancing with the ocean like I never did before, and watch it as it come and go, cause I know that someone knows this is the life for me. And whenever my ship sets sail, I'll be on the beach, waltzing through the water with the sand beneath my feet, so I can watch another sunrise. You know I can't deny this is the life for me, the life for me.
How you doing? Very good, just living the dream. Living the dream. Magazine. Exactly. Setting.
Going 30 degrees into the wind. We got 5 knots. Yeah, buddy. We had our first full day of sailing. We went from Grenada and now we're in Kirikou in Tyrrell Bay. And we sailed probably 6 hours. It was estimated at 4, but we didn't do any trimming of the sails, so we just stayed with what wind we had and had a good time.
We had to tack. We had to head a little bit west, and then we had to tack.
That was fine. We did just fine. And then we motored just this little last bit into the anchorage. Okay, one with rum like this. Good. And one with rum like this. Where do you think you're going?
I'm gonna go up the mast. I got some stuff to inspect, and it's a beautiful time to get a shot from up there. Yeah.
All right.
So I ran aground today. We went to go get water, and luckily these are like little blessing mistakes, but we did run aground just real quick on the way to the dock, because right by the dock is a teeny little shoal that came up and we barely hit, and
We were going so slow.
So slow, thank God. Nudged the ground, realized what had happened. The keel is the lowest part of the boat, so it hits before the rudder or the propellers, and it was just the front of the keel just nudged it. We knew what had happened. I got it in reverse, and now I'm gonna go dive on it just to make sure, and dive on the chain at the same time now that we're re-anchored. But big mistake and big learning experience.
What's the damage, Doc?
None. I mean, it has scrapes for sure. I mean, it hit. So bright out here. We scraped off the bottom coat of anti-foul paint just on the very bottom on this starboard side, but there's no damage. All day long selling things, we hardly even need to leave.
And there was something else we caught yesterday.
All right.
This one's silver, I got some smaller ones.
That's a good one though.
All of them taste the same.
Oh yeah. Awesome. Thanks again, man.
All right.
Yeah. I think we're good on the trash though.
All right, yes.
Appreciate
No
it.
problem.
I know. This is so cool.
I know, on a little sandy island.
man?
It's amazing. This is beautiful. Way better than our last one, right?
I think so.
Now,
Less people, nice little sandy beach, cool little island barbecue over there.
this is more of what sailing's about than being in a tight anchorage with a ton of people.
Yeah, that's what I'm hoping for. Swim with the nurse shark.
That was awesome. Getting ready to grill.
There you go again!
Don't know what you're talking about.
Cook it first and then cut it. Okay?
Yeah, let's get that pan out and I'll get some seasoning. That's for dinner. Yeah! Today, we are leaving Grenada and Kirikou and we're going to check into St. Vincent and the Grenadines. So, we will motor over to a little snorkel spot, Anstelope. Yeah, and then we'll go over to Union Island, we'll check in there, and then we're gonna go to Tobago Cays for a couple days. Here we come, Union! Give me dog.
Alright, well we've checked into all of the Grenadines.
St. Vincent and the Grenadines.
St. Vincent and the Grenadines. At an
for a
island
month.
called Union. So we're going to be here for a month now. And it is beautiful.
Now we gotta find the market.
We gotta get beer.
What else?
Wasn't this just sweet?
Barracuda restaurant in Honolulu.
Maybe you gotta come check this place out. The door. Up. Nope. Left. Yep. So cute.
Both. I'm gonna clean them up. I got this!
Do you?
Yeah, I've had one beer. Barely. That was really difficult. We're in St. Vincent and the Grenadines. Bye, guys.
Is this a bar right here?
Yes.
Yeah, all right.
Happy Island.
Happy Island.
Yeah, that's
You go get happy.
Yeah, sundown bar. Touchdown, you are happy.
You guys have a great day. I freaking love this place.
All right, we're going to the Happy Island. we're gonna get lost on this island.
Stick with me. Come on, let's go.
This is all made of conch shells. This island. This is reclaimed conch. Did we just circumnavigate the island? Alright, we're going into Tobago Cays.
I love this place.
Look at this water. Oh man. This water is gorgeous. Oh, this is amazing. Oh yeah, all those conch shells. Look at all those things. Wow. Another turtle! He's taking a dive. He's going down. Look at him go! Hey turtle! Hi! Oh, this is gorgeous. We're not leaving here. We're not leaving here, Dad.
Champagne, she's taking shots down. She's living for the moment. She's a time bomb trying to take you out. The ticking of her heart is the only sound. She's a time bomb out to detonate, trying to cut her wires, but you're too late. Whiskey stain on her dress now. She's wearing it brown. There's nothing you can tell her, 'cause she's starting to shout. Now she's spraying that champagne all over the crowd. She's living for the moment. She's a time bomb trying to take you out. The ticking of her heart is the only sound. She's a time bomb bound to detonate. You're trying to cut her wires, but you're way too late. She's a time bomb trying to take you out. The ticking of her heart is the only sound. She's a time bomb bound to detonate. You're trying to cut her wires, but you're too late.
think, honey?
I love it. I can't believe that we're here. We just swam like a whole bunch of turtles. I just keep seeing turtles pop their head. Oh, see another turtle pop. Great. Pretty good here.
Tell me where you're going and where you've been. Take me away from the world I'm in. Cause when it's filled with sin, crime, strife, and danger, and everybody seem a little bit stranger. I can't seem to find my rights of way. I say it's getting harder every day in every way. It's hard to explain how I feel, but I know the feeling is real. And whenever my ship sets sail, I'll be on the shore, dancing with the ocean like I never did before. And watch it as it come and go, cause I know that someone knows this is the life for me. And whenever my ship sets sail, I'll be on the beach, watching through the water with the sand beneath my feet, so I can watch another sunrise. You know I can't deny this is the life for me, the life for me.